SafeMoon has been absolutely killing it lately in the DeFi markets. Let's talk about what it's been doing recently, a big piece of news that I think is once again just another step closer to reaching into higher price ranges, and why I love SafeMoon out of all the DeFi coins that are available. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link down in the description below if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program. It's also linked down in the description below. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, everyone, let's start off where other than, of course, with SafeMoon. We are sitting in the chart right now, looking at the overall price action, some of the candles and everything. Recap, as always, we have the beginning run-up hype period kind of here in TikTok, bit of a fall off since then, consolidation period, huge dump right about here. But since this dump, we have seen nothing but, as you can see here, green. And it has just been running and running and running, and it had a little bit of a drop here, but people bought the dip and it keeps continuing to run. Now, we'll get into more about why I love SafeMoon so much and why I think that out of all the coins in this market, and I will say this in every video because I believe it to be true, and it's my own opinion, of course, so please don't, say that it's a fact or anything. But I think that SafeMoon has the most potential out of any of these DeFi coins to reach into these higher price target levels. I think it will be very interesting to see where this coin goes and where it will be going in the future, of course. But, other than that, let's talk about the big piece of news that really is helping SafeMoon right now. And there's a lot of things obviously contributing to the price action of SafeMoon, but I think this is a rather big deal. And that, of course, is the SafeMoon Times Square billboard. As you can see right here, it's on the right of your screen. As you can see, SafeMoon has a super clean looking billboard in Times Square, right above the NASDAQ logo, which is just even better. You gotta love it. As you can see here, sponsored by r/SafeMoon. Awesome stuff, guys. This is huge for the coin. The fact that it's up here and everything is absolutely crazy, and it's just awesome to see. I mean, this is obviously for a very short time. They even have a QR code if you want to scan it and everything. Just super cool. And this is SafeMoon, of course. This is literally the coin in real life, and there's been a lot of billboards for SafeMoon that have been popping up here and there. And for the most part, I know there has been some talk in the community about how they don't really like billboards and they kind of take away from the overall premise of the coin and everything. But in my opinion, I still think that this is a really cool thing, and I think this does help not only spread the word about SafeMoon to people who aren't as familiar with crypto and DeFi especially, but just to the general public. People are going to look up, like this guy right down here, as you can see, they're going to look up and say, oh, I mean, he might be there for the billboard, we don't know, but I'm just saying that he's like somebody who would look up at that billboard and go, SafeMoon, the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency. Interesting. And then they would do more research and then, of course, find out more about it. So this helps SafeMoon, and there's obviously a lot of buying pressure. As you can see, the volatility is a lot right in these areas, and that's been pushing SafeMoon up. And we are officially past its previous all-time highs. We are sitting now at new all-time highs at the time of making this video, which is just absolutely awesome to see. It is so cool to see this community rally together, and really have this coin that is just dominating the field. As you can see here, we're on coin market cap down about 0.13% just at the time making this video. This chart is a lot more simplified, obviously, as you can see here, but that is a very cool pattern. The fact that we had this huge pump up and drop off. Usually coins that have these nice big pumps, they kind of just tend to stay, below this area. They'll kind of stay down here and they won't go up any further. But as you can see, SafeMoon having a very nice rebound effect. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens there. Fully diluted market cap, as you can see here, not million, but billion, 6 billion, not too shabby at all. It gets bigger and bigger, and I know that's a lot, obviously, and people want to complain about that, I know. Volume, 215 million, pretty freaking good. And just overall, it's been killing it. SafeMoon has been doing very well. Let's see if we can look here at the overall self-reported circulating supply. So as you can see here, we have 642,807 billion SafeMoon still in circulation, which is pretty crazy to think. They're still burning coins though, so that is a thing to watch out for. They are burning coins, which of course does mean that the price of the current coins are going to become a little bit more valuable as they burn more coins to basically reward long-term holders. So that is pretty cool. Now let's just recap on the SafeMoon roadmap real quick here, just because I haven't taken a look at this in a while. Protocol initialized, this is what we saw in Q1. We have successfully onboarded and confirmed a Dogecoin trading pair with BPPalm. We have also successfully begun integration processes with Whitebit and began legal paperwork with Bitmart. Our team size has doubled and our marketing campaign has begun. The initial push, the Whitebit tokenomics integration, will be completed. You know what, I actually realized I don't want to just sit here and read this the whole video. You guys obviously have eyes and you can read this too. But overall, let's just talk about this last one, to the moon. We will finish the SafeMoon exchange and our charity project. We will finish integrations with our first African market and begin the next integrations with additional African markets. We will create an African-based SafeMoon office and begin hiring in those markets to create jobs. We will be taking donations for our next charity project and begin to vote on the next project as well. We will be establishing a SafeMoon scholarship in this quarter as well. So this is the thing that I see a lot of people say about SafeMoon, is that, oh, it's, you know, this shit coin, right? It's not good. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna tank. Everyone's gonna lose their money, and it's just trash, and there's no value. But I would argue that these coins are creating a lot of value for society. They're creating jobs. They're creating scholarship funds, as you can see right there. A lot of these coins are charity-based too. When you donate to them or put money into it and buy the coins, that money is going to also to charity, which is a very cool thing in my opinion. And the fact that this is a kind of a new age way of a super fast way to raise money for charity organizations or charity events is just really cool in my opinion. And I think that SafeMoon, once again, is just situated, as far as the speculation and hype factor goes, is situated in a very great spot for SafeMoon to take advantage of that. And I think that, as you can see, their price kind of reflects that. Now, Shiba, I think, is the only other coin that is going to kind of challenge SafeMoon as far as market dominance in the DeFi sector. Shiba Inu, of course, we've been talking about a lot on this channel as well. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Shiba Inu also making very big highs and trying to push to that 1 cent level that everybody is dreaming of course, because once it hits that 1 cent level, that's what everybody's dreaming of. And that's why everyone keeps buying at these low levels. I mean, you know, you can buy millions of coins for relatively cheap. You know, you don't have to spend a lot of money, which is very cool to see. SafeMoon, as you can see here, as far as the watch list go, 1,390,385 watch lists. And if I remember right, that is a lot more than Bitcoin, at least on CoinMarketCap, as far as the watch lists are concerned, which is pretty crazy to see. Oh, SafeMoon just drops about 1.33% at the time of making this video, but no big deal. You know, people are diamond handing this anyways, and they're not concerned about the day-to-day stuff. They want to see the big, large gains. Now, just to wrap everything up, let's go over the price action and where I think this is going. So I talked about this in the other video, but once again, I think this is going to be a consolidation period, just like we saw similar to back here, where we are going to make these new highs and we're going to continue to push upwards slowly, not in these very large jumps as we saw right here and we saw right here. I think the big thing for SafeMoon will be these exchange listings. Once those start to work out, I think that's when we're going to see some more parabolic moves into the upper realm of price targets. But for now, I think we're going to see a bit more consolidation. It might sell off a little bit here though, but however, we did see a bit of a sell-off here and the market didn't really care. You know, people bought in and it just kind of went right back up. So that is something to take into account. SafeMoon's fundamentals and technicals. The fundamentals are a little bit easier to understand. As far as the technicals go, SafeMoon trades very interesting. You know, it has these huge dumps, but because people love buying the dip on this coin, those dumps don't last too long. You know, people really like this coin and they buy, and they want it to go to the moon. So it'll be very interesting to see what ends up happening if there's more news that comes out as far as exchanges go, or AMAs, or anything related to that. And of course, you guys can come here first, because we will be covering all of it when it does happen. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for SafeMoon. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much all we have for you guys concerning SafeMoon. Let me know in the comments below if you guys made some money with this coin, if you're still holding it, and how much you own. We'd love to read your guys' comments and see what you guys are doing with these coins. I think SafeMoon could continue to run like this. It's been doing very well over the past couple of days and even month, and I really look forward to covering this coin a lot more. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program down below if you guys want to learn how to trade the stock market. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle, Finance Bro. Take it easy.